Greetings from Cebu. I am Michael Azanas, managing the production board test and SLT change kit. For production board test, so this is basically started way back 2016 when we transferred it from Suzhou, China. So this is composed of 24 heads supported by planning, marketing, engineering, test engineers, quality engineers, test technicians, electromechanical assemblers, material controllers. So the team is supporting currently 13 models for PBT with capacity of 3 to 5 systems a week. And basically we are having an average of $15 million in terms of revenue per quarter. So basically my function is to make sure that we produce on-time quality products to our customers. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Nanette Jurado. I'm the planning supervisor and I coordinate and supervise the day-to-day activities of the planning team both for PBT and change kits.
Hi, I'm Alex Montero. I'm PBT's master scheduler. I'm the one responsible of creating a schedule for production, build, and shipments, and for our quarterly target revenue.
I manage the supplies for PCBAs, high-level assembly parts, and plastic parts.
I'm responsible for the procuring of cable assemblies, floor stocks, and other peripherals.
I'm the in charge for the procurement of electromechanical assemblies, backplanes, and chemicals.
Hello everyone, my name is Rodrigo Sagrino. I've been working in Tirodan for the past 10 years. I am the production material planner for the PBT team, and these are my responsibilities: creating work orders to the production, monitor the WIP aging, manage to implement the division is in for the implementation to the production. I am also the material planner for these commodities: manuals, wood crepe, label stickers, and some other expense to supply to the production. I have a very responsibility.
Thomas Fernandez, production supervisor of PBT. From the integration of demand, planning, and marketing, I have to make sure the slots were properly scheduled at the same time to ship on time and 100% quality.
Hi, I'm Joey.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Raylan.
And we are the Material Controller Team.
We prepare all the materials needed for system build based on pick sheet provided by the production planner.
Each system has a sign rack.
After preparing, we endorse it to production.
Hi, I'm Janelle.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Hi, I'm Manolo.
Jan. Hi, I'm Jan.
Hi, I'm Tambo.
Hi, I'm Sherwin.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Hi, I'm Dar, one of the assembler in PBT. We build system from sub-assembly to base assembly system. We make sure all parts are properly installed before endorsing to the next process, which is testing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John, one of the assembler in PBT. I'm building power supply sub-assembly. This is one of the peripherals for base assembly. Thank you.
And we are the electromechanical
PBT.
Good morning. I am Ian. I'm a test technician. Right now, I'm doing the sub-assembly parts testing. I'm making sure that the values of the resistance and the voltages of these sub-assembly parts are good.
Hi, I'm Alter. I'm the test technician. I make sure all configuration pass the standard requirement. Today, I'm working on the test station standard tester.
Hi, I'm Richelieu. I am a technician of the new test station product of PBT ASI161 vacuum receiver. I am finalizing the documents for PFA by I'm done testing with the CC and the other essential testing.
Good morning everyone, I'm Hervin, test engineer. I make sure all the configurations from the CEC are doable. At the same time, I'll have to check if the configurations are true when installed in the system. Have a nice day.
Hi, good morning. I am Epifanio Malingin Jr., test engineer. My main task is to perform repairs on non-conformance materials that involves mechanical, electrical, and system levels, and creates also dispositions on MRBs and endorse repair if necessary.
Hello everyone, I am Connie. I am the Rework specialist for PBT department. I am assigned to monitor all the non-conforming materials from PBT. And at the same time, I am responsible for the rework and repair for those non-conforming parts. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the quality assurance section. In this process, we're going to check if the system matches with the customer requirements and configuration, along with the Teradyne testing and build standards. There are actually 3 inspection points to check, and we'll start with the pre-buy-off. This is actually the initial stage of the buy-off process, followed by the final buy-off, wherein the system will be buttoned up and inspected again. And lastly, we'll go to the shipping buy-off, wherein the ship-aside parts and the system will be installed in the crate, and they will be inspected to ensure that the quality is retained along the way. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Bernice, the manufacturing engineer here in PBT. I am responsible in developing and maintaining process documentation up to date, and I'm also tasked to create, review, and approve ECNs, as well as initiating activities pertaining to process improvements. I also work with our quality engineer to fine-tune processes, thereby reducing process-induced defects. Thank you.
I'm Bicelyn William Moore, a PBT traffic controller. I am handling PBT import and export shipment, including materials. I am also making sure all system shipments are scheduled accordingly. Today, we are creating an LH ready for shipment.